day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me, never going back. Tryna make that ass she don't need no applause. High fashion, I go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man. Now you want to shoot with.
As a lady, you should not be eating plenty. That's why I'm having a quick midnight snack. Midnight quick snack. Look at my snack. Quick snack over here. Just a quick.
My KFC. That's what they may tell him on the vlog say. We're done with KFC. Shake on me. I'm done with KFC. I'll watch me in a KFC again. Wicked to myself. Wicked. KFC, hello me. Guys, I'm up on the phone for that one now. Alright. Lucky. I could eat KFC 1 and 2 times. Sorry. You see how early it be? We'll cock up in a KFC. 11 o'clock. Guys, it's currently 11 o'clock. I mean, hopefully you can hear me. Even though you have some looking nice in the background.
You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, I go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head and the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride it up. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got the best with her, take her back to my off. Got a five in the morning, wild and wild. And then they been begging for shit, style, yeah. Keep my hoes to ride it. Remember I was pulling.
So guys, we're currently at the beach right now. I don't know if you can hear me even though this stuff on the camera is supposed to block out the majority of the wind sun. But yeah, we're at the beach right now. Me and my family, we're celebrating my little nephew's birthday. Because his birthday was Friday, so we're celebrating it today. And me and the whole family out at the beach. Hey, the breeze body now. What they at the beach, I try, enjoy some. I'm never carrying a bathing suit because, not going in the water today. Can't bother with that. So yeah, we're just there, chill. Y'all know I'm a beach baby, so the vlogs have to consist of, beach stuff. So yeah, we're just there. And there they are. And the beach full of seaweed. The seaweed is really pretty. The seaweed is crazy with that.
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me?
Guys, we can't take the hard with the room and the mother one. We can't do that. So, I'll eat it more.
Baby, come here, I do fly.
What's am I drinking today?
Empress. Look like you must be so bad. Yo,
Running drunk.
there, dog. How much you drink, dog? Oh, you know, dog.
Yeah. I'm always running.
Let's give this all a go.
She just wanna dance Santi. She just wanna dance Santi. She just wanna dance Santi.
Yeah, good, my father. Good.
Yeah.
But you better give him some water. As usual. So I'm Bree's sis. Yes, I'm Bree's sister. What? Over there.
Edition, fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got to kill a man. I have to gang for me gang, just run up with your man. Cripple like I'm not the most fighting at the middle of the night to make the place noise. You never know, see a little juvenile could have run in a yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the buck, man, Jesus Christ. I make him run, I make him out, I make him sleep even nights. More, yeah, that's when nobody can find us. You must be sick. 17, I jump in this 45 feet, me can't take no miss. Me finger move sick, me gun them not stick. Every them sick, it's me. Coming up till 2 of them up in this 45 feet, me can't take no miss. Me finger move sick, me gun them not stick. One more, them get the gun. Me kill a boss. When I'm in out, does a clock, does a money, I put it the way I feel my lips. No, so you must see me kill them no works. Long as I'm not out, go too well sharp. You know why people don't be anything start. Full charge and full crap. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me can't take no miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them not stick. Every them sick, it's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in a this 45 feet, me can't take no miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them not stick. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, big up a killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy on the finger man. We make the man up, smarty a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back, like sponge up. Put the rest back, mother belly gun penny when me let me stamp. target. Babylon, Spain town in the flying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunman shoot? Gonna believe from them start. Babylon, Spain town in the flying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And I 17, I jump in at this 45, me can't get no miss. Me finger move shit, me gun the nasty. We love you, them sick. It's me. Coming up here, do what them up in at this 45, me can't get no miss. Me finger move shit.
The last one is
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my
there, boy.
I say we think this.
Why you look so grumpy and sad?
Come and come try me. Who you gonna love me? Too many twists and
Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna sing happy birthday for Makiri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Makiri. Happy birthday to you.
Dance and tease. You feel like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. You used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that dog. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with no well and party, a dance and party. Yeah, the body was so big. You need a weird person. Cock it up high, you look like the body die. Oh, them body drive me crazy. Them body with the ice skin. Got your body at the tight baggy. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
Oh, I forgot to say, I'm gonna feel probably them left it out this so. You know see I left your cake. So should I eat it? Eh? But I don't know if you don't want to eat now, that's why. So guys, we're currently at home right now. We're going home. Sikali has spent the day with me vlog. So yeah, supposed to go match later. Today's Sunday by the way. So you're supposed to go match. And yeah, I just continue the vlog from there. I don't even know if I get enough clips, but oh well. I really and truly don't want to vlog longer, but if it's not long, well, I'll just work with the amount of clips I have, and that's that. So yeah guys, I'll catch you when I reach home, or when I reach the match, probably. Yeah, my favorite scientist, I know what I'm doing.
Somebody said, where you going? I don't see you come for no juice now. She said, I was
True. She go by the from once the little boy.
Until Abby say them like the vibe and them want come every Sunday. Every Sunday.
Every Sunday them what?
Abby never want going at people in church. I say Abby can't come to church and want stay outside like you're a gunman.
Gunman are going at church.
No, you know when time bad man go all funeral and then turn up outside, they're not going to church.
That's my baby.
They say you can't come to church and go like you're a gunman. You have to go to church.
Oh my God.
So they say nah, go back. You can't get him go back.
Yeah, they
the
need
face
to fresh
part
here and
dark.
sitting good to the wall.
You said the face park dark, you know what I mean?
Oh, him say him did I go for the fish. Yeah, because he must say still.
7 cents. No, me. Tell them to subscribe. No.
Subscribe to our video channel. No.
Guys, we currently reached the stadium and it's ram, like it really full and it's crazy. You want to see the gates. So right now we're waiting until we get some parking for going because I don't know when we're reaching because it's full, man. Because we left out late, you know. We're gonna try to get in and see what can go on. Because the place ram up. A bit of confusion with parking and the whole entrance and all that. I'm really and truly can't bother. Really and truly can't bother. What have I said? Oh yeah, if you have a little gate 9 every minute.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure 4. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Baby, it's a deal, just get it. I might do it, it's a big deal. Make a play, it's like it. I spend time when I want some of them, boy, it didn't even go. I know that movie, I come home on my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fuck with no clear, follow my 100 years. I feel like a tourist. Only one from the wall, and it's all on my partner. Can't be on that you ain't one of us. How you riding the kids on the top of club? How you let everybody get piping up? I'm just bad with no strain, I don't type up. Ain't my lips on my lips, I don't want to up. Kept no money up, feel like I'm talking some. I'm not trying to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. And the you got rent, you can get it done. On the night day, I get me on it fun. That's the you call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Plus the numbers and acres, join the fun. Did the roof on the car, that up for the sun. The work I see is about 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suckin' and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step.